Today on Straight Talk, I'm pleased to welcome Julie Nakos, the Director of National Accounts with PDI. She will take us on a journey of what you need to know regarding products and processes to protect your staff, your facilities, and those inside them. Let's get started. So, Julie, the industry needs solutions, products, and services to help with managing cleaning systems and programs. Can you tell us a little bit about PDI, what you do with the company, and how PDI is here to help?
Thanks, Jeff. Appreciate the opportunity to talk a little bit about PDI today. PDI is a fourth-generation, family-owned company with a long history of innovation and focus on saving lives with our market-leading products. We're most widely known for Super Sandy Cloth. Our customers commonly call it the purple top, which you can see over here. You may think disinfecting wipes have been around forever, especially with how much they've been used over the last few years. But PDI actually invented the first EPA-registered disinfecting wipe in 1988, only 35 years ago. At PDI, I'm commonly called our EVS expert. It's because I started my career as an EVS director in various hospitals across the United States. And supporting our EVS strategy is a big focus for my job, but my job title is Director of National Accounts, where I support our JanSan and office distributors who are so important and vital to ensuring our products reach our customers in need.
Well, great information, Julie. Thank you for sharing. Let me ask this question. How proud are you of what PDI does for the industry? Can you speak a little to that?
Sure. Well, I just had my 4-year anniversary at PDI, and as you can imagine, not exactly what you'd expect. About 1 year in, this little thing called COVID showed up. And although we were very busy at PDI, my colleagues and I had the opportunity to learn a lot about our company in a really short time. From sourcing our raw materials, to how we quality review and release our products, to allocating and shipping, as well as how our products are manufactured, which actually happens just a few miles from here. PDI is very proud to be a U.S. manufacturer. I look back now at that time, and it was the highlight of my career. The entire PDI organization worked tirelessly to make sure product got to our customers in need, specifically the hospitals. This is just one way I'm proud to be part of an organization like PDI. And every employee here truly believes in our mission, which you can actually see behind us here. Because of what we do every day, somebody's mother, brother, father, son, sister, aunt, uncle, child, or lover won't get sick, die, or suffer.
Yeah, COVID was an issue. It's nice to see that PDI stepped up and met the challenges. So congratulations on that. Julie, let's pivot to what concerns the industry, those doing the work. Let's talk about that. What are some of the more common challenges you see?
It's a great question. EVS, housekeepers, janitors, cleaning staff have been overlooked and undervalued for years. And the pandemic actually did a great job of highlighting these workers and everything they do to keep people safe. Although when you look at the products they use, it's still many of the same products they've used for decades. Traditionally, it's a liquid disinfectant used alongside an applicator, like a microfiber cloth. This practice has been used for many years, but can create challenges for EVS departments to ensure proper disinfection. For example, is your dispenser dispensing the correct parts per million of liquid? Do you adhere to a routine cleaning of your buckets and pails to ensure bacteria isn't growing up? And we still commonly see 5 and 10-minute liquid cloths being used in the industry. That's a really long time to wait. PDI has solutions in as little as 1 minute with our Sandy Cloth Prime. And it's not just the liquid disinfectant you need to be concerned about. You also have to evaluate the tool that you use alongside your liquid, like your microfiber. Are you using a hospital-grade microfiber cloth? Was it properly laundered? And do your cloth and liquid work perfectly together? And you may say, what do I mean by that? Well, some cloths are made to absorb liquids while others releasing them. Specifically, with cloth-based disinfectants, which are still widely used, you need to be concerned with clot binding, which is when some of the clot disinfectant gets trapped inside the cloth and doesn't actually enter the surface. The process of choosing an applicator to work with your liquid is something pre-saturated wipe manufacturers like PDI are very familiar with. There's a lot of science that actually goes into developing our wipes. For example, with our newest wipe, the first ready-to-use non-bleached sporicidal, Hyperside here, We went through over 100 applicators before we found one that worked perfectly with our chemical formulation. You can trust when you use our wipes that they're designed to work perfectly with our chemical formulations.
Well, that does sound challenging, Julie. Can you tell me how a PDI is different and how your products can provide solutions for the industry? Because that's what they want to know.
Well, PDI has a long history of innovation and listening to our customers. We want to be more than just a wipe company. We want to create products that provide solutions and are backed by science. For example, every day we still hear about staffing challenges across the industry. Can you imagine these hard-working staff doing everything they can and their tools are failing them? With surface disinfection still being so vital to a safe environment, choosing the right tools are so important. PDI surface disinfecting wipes take the complexity out of surface disinfection. We simplify the process by reducing the number of steps, eliminating chemical dispensers and microfibers, the need to fill and refill buckets, do quat checks. All of these things cut into the time that staff need to clean and disinfect. When you choose PDI for your cleaning and disinfecting, you can trust that you get the right amount of disinfectant each time, and with the peace of mind that you're properly disinfecting your surfaces. Our products reduce contact time, have enhanced clinical claims, and it's simple. You just pull the wipe, you wipe the surface, and you toss. Let our products do the work for you.
Well, great work that you're doing over there, Julie. I have to wonder, do you see surface disinfection still being as important today as it was during COVID? What can you tell us about that?
I think surface disinfection has always been important, and that COVID only highlighted that. We still hear about emerging pathogens like monkeypox and Candida auris. We believe having a strong infection prevention plan that includes having access to hand hygiene products like PDI Sandy Hands and surface disinfection products like our PDI's line of disinfecting wipes is important to ensuring a safe environment. Being diligent about washing your hands and cleaning and disinfecting surfaces is just as important today as it was during COVID. PDI continues to be the market leader and supplier of disinfecting wipes in hospitals across the country. But protecting people in every space is where we strive to provide solutions for.
Well, Julie, you've shared some great information. I have just one more question, and that is, we know more than ever that disinfecting is top of mind and a key focus for PDI. So tell us, what is new and exciting that you can share with us today?
Well, as the leader in this space, we are focused on exploring new technology and solutions that help address the unmet needs of our customers. Our current foundation of surface disinfection wipes, coupled with TruD's UVC whole room disinfection technology, provides our customers with a layered approach solution. What I'm excited to share with you today is that last month we launched our next generation UVC platform, TruD IQ, which you can see pictured here on the banner. This new system helps take the guesswork out of whole room surface disinfection with upgraded sensors, measured dosing, improved cycle times, and with a smaller device that allows access to tighter spaces. And that's just the beginning. PDI is always innovating. We have a long history of innovation, and we continue to explore the needs of the markets and listen to our customers to make sure we're identifying solutions that make sense. It's just one way we continue to be the difference.